This presentation will guide you through the removal and cleaning of the pressure switch tube. Dexter Laundry recommends that all service and troubleshooting be done by a qualified service person. Live voltage is present inside of every Dexter machine. Extreme caution should be used if you decide to troubleshoot your equipment. Dexter Laundry always recommends that you disconnect power to your washer or dryer before attempting any service. Warning: failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. The tools needed are a Phillips screwdriver, a ratchet with a 5/16 socket and a 1/4-inch socket, and a Dexter 6324 service key. Power down the machine and remove the 4 Phillips screws from the soap dish. Unlock the top panel with the Dexter 6324 service key. Using a small flat screwdriver, pry the corners of the top panel up off the retaining posts. Push back to remove the top panel. Next, remove the 2 Phillips screws from the lower service panel and remove the lower service panel. Locate the pressure switch tube. Using a ratchet and a 5/16 socket, loosen the hose clamp securing the pressure switch tube to the back side of the drain coupling. Remove the pressure switch tube from the drain coupling. Under the electrical control trough, pull the pressure switch tube from the bottom of the pressure switch and remove the tube from the washer. Clean the pressure switch tube by squeezing the tube top to bottom while flushing hot water through the tube. The hot water helps dissolve soap residue while flushing it out of the tube. Repeat this process until the pressure switch tube is free and clear of obstructions. Next, inspect the pressure switch tube for damage. If any cracks, holes, or other damage is present, replace it with a new pressure switch tube. Reconnect the pressure switch tube to the pressure switch. Then, reconnect the pressure switch tube to the drain coupling. Tighten the 5/16 hose clamp to secure the pressure switch tube to the drain coupling. Reinstall the lower service panel and washer top. Power up and cycle the washer to verify that the water levels are now correct. If the problem persists, replace the pressure switch. To do this, power down and remove the top panel as before and locate the pressure switch at the left rear corner of the control trough. Disconnect the red and orange-yellow wires from the pressure switch. Remove the pressure switch tube from the bottom of the pressure switch. Locate the 2 1/4-inch screws securing the pressure switch bracket to the control trough. These can be found on the left side of the control trough. Using a ratchet and a 1/4-inch socket, remove the 2 1/4-inch screws. The switch can now be removed. Install the new pressure switch in reverse order, using the 2 1/4-inch screws to secure the pressure switch to the control trough. Reconnect the pressure switch tube. Then, reconnect the orange, yellow, and red wires to the pressure switch. Replace all panels and power up the washer. The washer is ready for operation.